Okay, body head cover has been opened. This part is open because we will drain the brake fluid. But before that, we change first brake pad. As friends see, the condition of the brake pad of this motorbike is thin. Before it runs out complete, we should replace this brake pad. Spray lubricant on the axle bolts. Wait about 5 minutes. After that, this hard screw can be opened easily. Remove the wheel properly. After that, hold on and block the front wheel. Remove the stem clamp brake pad. This clamp there are two. After the two clamps have been removed, pull and remove the stem brake pad. Okay, we will push this piston caliper inside. But before that, let's do the cleaning. The piston ring must be complete clean. This must be done so that this piston can go inside cleanly. If not clean, then the seal caliper will be damaged and result in brake fluid leakage. Okay, after cleaning, let's push this piston inside. Okay, entered, no need to finish. This is enough, and the brake pad is ready to be installed. Oh yeah, this is the brake pad mounting plate. This plate can be removed and cleaned. For how to install the brake pad, please friends listen carefully. After successfully changing the brake pad, time to do brake fluid change. Open the brake fluid reservoir cover. Throw away the old brake fluid. Clean the tank. After cleaning, add in a new brake fluid. Do bleed brake fluid like this. Remember, while doing bleed, always keep the brake fluid reservoir. Don't let the brake fluid run out. For how to bleed brake fluid, same as I do on the previous Vega motorcycle video. For more details, please click the link above on how to bleed the correct brake fluid. Okay, after the all oil has been washed, stop work. Fill the brake fluid reservoir is limited to full. After that, install and close everything properly. Last, wash and clean all areas. Parts exposed to the brake fluid contact.